What are the complexities of research ethics in clinical trials? Imagine volunteering for a medical study that could help millions but also involves risks to you. That's where research ethics come into play, making sure everyone is protected. When patients consider joining clinical trials, they face many questions about safety, fairness, and trust. These questions highlight some of the tricky parts of research ethics. One big issue is informed consent. Patients need clear, simple information about what the trial involves, including possible risks and benefits. Sometimes medical language can be confusing, and patients might not fully understand what they are agreeing to. Ensuring that consent is truly voluntary and fully informed is a key challenge. Another concern is balancing risks and benefits. In clinical trials, participants might face unknown side effects from new treatments. Unlike regular doctor visits, the main goal is to test a hypothesis, not necessarily to help the patient immediately. Deciding if the potential benefits outweigh the risks is an ongoing ethical question. The use of placebos and randomization also raises questions. Some trials give participants a sugar pill instead of active treatment. If patients do not understand how treatments are assigned, it can cause mistrust or feelings of unfairness. Explaining why placebos are used and how randomization works is essential for ethical practice. Physicians who are also researchers face conflicts of interest. They might want to help their patient but also need to follow research protocols. This dual role can create tension. Open communication and shared decision-making help manage these conflicts, but they requiring careful attention. Involving patients as partners in research design and decision-making is another ethical aspect. When patients are engaged properly, their needs and values are respected. But if engagement is poorly done, it can cause harm or disrespect. Respecting patient dignity is always a priority. Fairness and inclusion are also important. Researchers must make sure diverse groups can participate without unfair barriers. Excluding certain populations without good reason can make results less useful. Addressing language, cultural, and access barriers helps make trials more ethical. Privacy and confidentiality are fundamental. Protecting personal and medical information is vital, especially as data sharing and electronic records grow. Patients need to trust that their information will be kept safe. Understanding these ethical issues helps patients make informed choices about clinical trials. Asking questions about risks, how their data will be used, and their rights can make the process clearer. Oversight bodies review trials to ensure these ethical standards are met, always aiming to protect participants while advancing medical knowledge.